Hey everybody, my name is Morgan Meggs. I'm with Lexus of Jacksonville in the technology department. Today I'm going to be showing you the Intelligent Clearance Sonar feature, or also known as the Parking Support Brake feature. So let's get into it. Before we get started, it's important to note that your Intelligent Clearance Sonar might be labeled different. Some may say Intelligent Clearance Sonar, others will say Parking Support Brake, and some might only have the ICS symbol of the car backing into a triangle. Your Intelligent Clearance Sonar works based on sensors in the front and rear of your Lexus. When approaching an object, your Lexus will start beeping at you, ramping up the beeps the closer you get to the object. If you get too close, the ICS system will automatically apply the brakes. Your sensors will show you how close you are to said object on the right side of your infotainment screen. And when creeping towards an object, your infotainment screen will change to a front side view as well as a 360-degree view with your front sensor showing the distance of the object from the vehicle.
Alright everybody, that's going to wrap up today's video on the Intelligent Clearance Sonar feature in your Lexus. Now be sure to send us in an email with any questions you might have. Thank you for watching.
What? Oh! Sorry, you weren't supposed to see any of that. You got any questions, comments, or concerns? Let us know. If you'll excuse me. Yeah.